Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel GO19 Access Chapter 3 Graded 3G as workshop room. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is GO19 Access Chapter 3 Graded 3G Workshop Room 1.0. So next project description is, in this project you will use database to track workshop and the room where the workshop or hard college. You will create a form and the delete record by using the form filter record, modify form layout view and design view. You will create a report, modify the report layout view, design view, group data, keep group together for a printed report. So next we move to the main project steps. So total step is 19. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, start access, open the file student access 3G workshop room, download with this project, view the relationship between the room table and the workshop tables on the room can be used for many workshop and close the relationship window. So next view the relationship between room table and workshop tables. So go to the extended database tables tool and click the relationship, and room and workshop tables on the room can be used for many and close the relationship. Room ID, we click save and close the relationship. Close the relationship window. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, use the form tool to create a form based on the workshop table. Save the form as workshop form and then display the form in the form view using the workshop form and the following new record to the underlying workshop tables. Use the form tool to create the workshop table. So workshop tables, go to the create tabs. Next create a form based on the workshop table and save the workshop form. Go to the create tabs and go to the form groups, click the form, and next save the form workshop form. So right click, click save workshop form and click OK. And next using the workshop form, add the following new record underlying the workshop tables. So next using the workshop form, add the following new record to the underlying workshop tables. And next field workshop ID is W1 is 5013. So add the new record workshop ID form view, and workshop ID form view using the workshop form. Add the following record to the underlying workshop, and next workshop name is Joe Portfolio. So workshop name is Joe Portfolio, and room ID RM 208. So next to room ID, and registration is 23. Registration is 23, and workshop category is guide to finding a job. Guide to finding a job. So question number 2 is complete. And we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is find the record for the workshop ID W-5020 and then delete the record. Find the record for the workshop ID W-1534 from the print dialog box and the setup option. Change column size width of printed form to 7.5 inches and save the form. So next one, find the record workshop ID W-5020. So find the record workshop ID 15-20 and then delete the record. So go to the home tabs and go to the record groups, and next delete the record, click yes, and next find the record for the workshop ID of W-5034. So find the record for the workshop ID, again W-5034, and from the print dialog box and then setup option, change the column size width of printed form to 7.5 inches and save the form. From the print dialog box, so go to the file tabs and go to the print and click the print. Open the print dialog box and next print dialog box and setup option. Next click the setup option and change the column size width. Click the column, size width, column size width of printed form 7.5 inches. So width is 7.5 inches and save the form. Click OK and again OK, and next save the form. So right click and click save and close the form. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, use the filter by form to create the filter for the workshop from the display record with the workshop category of guide to finding a job or keeping a job. After verifying that 50 record with match filter criteria and toggle the filter of display all 24 record, save and close the form. So next, use the filter by form. Use the filter by form to create a filter for the workshop from the display. So next, use the filter by form to find the record. And next, create a filter workshop from that the display the category the filter by form and next display the record with the workshop category of guide to finding a job, in the workshop category. Guide to finding a job or keep a job record and next. So next, keeping a job. After the verifying that 15 record match the filter criteria and toggle filters, display all 24 and save and close. And next click toggle filters. And next save and close the form. So right click save and close the form. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is use the form wizard to create a form based on the room table. Add the following field to the form: rental fee, capacity, equipments, podium and internet. Apply a columnar layout and name the form room form. So next, use the form visited to create the room tables. We'll create the use the form visited. Go to the create tabs and next click the form visited and next form visited room table. Add the following field in this from the rental fees. So table room from the rental fees. Rental fee and next capacity and equipments and podium and next internet rental fees, capacity, equipments, podium and internet, and next apply the columnar layout and name the form room form. Next, so select the columnars and name the form is room form and click next. So room form, click finish. So question number 5 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, rating and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam.